Now, first enemy. What is the first enemy? Water contamination in diesel. In detail, how water enters in fuel. What are the reasons? Condensation in partially filled tanks. I already told you, if it is partially filled, it will contain the air, and air has good amount of water vapors. Okay, humidity level, it depends on the humidity level of that region. Now, rain through tank vents. Tank vents are there. Rain can enter. Okay. Then contaminated fuel delivery. I already told you, while delivering, any problem can happen and water will get inside the fuel. Then leaking tank seals. If tank seals are there, like at the top, this is a tank vehicle. At the top, you have a tank seals on the lids, for the lids. So if it leaks, water will enter. If your tank is underground, then what happens? Groundwater seepage. Okay, groundwater slowly will enter inside the tank. This can happen, seepage can happen. It is very minute, but it will contaminate our fuel. Then types of water. Free water settles at bottom. If it is free water, it is heavier than any oil or diesel, so it will settle at the bottom. Easy to remove, just remove the water cap, that water removal cap, we'll see, and it can be removed. Then emulsified water mixed with fuel, harder to remove. If it is mixed with fuel, it is very hard to remove. We will see the process. Then dissolved water absorbed in fuel, very difficult. It is dissolved. So these are three types of water. Free water is easy. Emulsified and dissolved, we will see how to remove that. It is difficult. Problems caused: microbial growth, diesel bug we have seen, then corrosion of tank pipes, injectors, then ice formation in cold weather. If weather is cold, water will form the ice. So what happens if ice formation is there? It will crack the tank as well. You know how the erosion happens, the rock erosion. See, let's see, this is a cavity inside the rock. Okay, I'm just giving you the example, and water is there. In cold season, if this water becomes ice, what will happen? Its area, volume, the area it occupying will increase. If it is closed, it will increase and it will break this whatever, rock or anything. So this is water. Its volume increases, it occupies more space when it becomes solid. So this is water property. That is why ice formation is dangerous for us. It can do anything. Okay, it breaks rocks. Okay, now poor combustion, white smoke. If you are seeing white smoke, it means water. Okay, combustion will be poor. Filter plugging, filters will be blocked because of water. Now, second is particulate contamination, second enemy of diesel system. Sources of dirt and sediment. What are the sources? Rust from steel tanks. If steel tanks you have, rust will be there. It will get mixed up in the oil. Then dirt during fuel delivery. Again, fuel delivery is very much important. Okay. Then pipe scale and corrosion. If pipe is scaling happens. What is scaling? The layer inside the pipe, because of the fuel, dirt, dust, it will absorb or it will be sedimented, or what you call it, it is scaling on the pipe, inside the pipe, like chiller scaling we do. We clean it from inside, so scaling will be gone. Then corrosion, atmospheric dust through vents are there. So if atmospheric dust enters, then particulate contamination. Then tank bottom sludge, at the bottom sludge will be there. In any liquid, sedimentation, sludge formation will be there, because what happens, the heavy particles will go down when it is stand still for longer time, any fuel. So it will go down and settle, so sludge at the bottom. Particle sizes. What are the sizes? Large particles, more than 100 micron. Those are visible, like in water we see the particulate, those are more than 100 micron size. Medium particles, that is 10 to 100 microns, filters catch. Filters can catch this. So up till this it is easy. Now fine particles, 2 to 10 micron, it can damage injectors. This is very much important. Then ultra fine, less than 2 micron, phases most, so passes most filters. 2 micron, we have filters up till 5 micron, so it will pass most of the filters. So these are important particle distinguishes. Okay, so we should understand what type of particles are there. Then damage caused, fuel injector wear and clogging. Then pump wear reduces life of the pump. Then what? Filter plugging, frequent changes. We need to change the filters because of particulate contamination. Then poor atomization is equal to incomplete combustion. Okay, so these are the causes or problems because of this particulate contamination.